Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a follow-up video from the previous video on how to create your account on Fiverr.com. Now, I said that on Fiverr, it's a platform that you use your talents to make money online. You might say right now, I don't have any talents that I can use, but I'm sure you have a voice. I'm sure you have ears. I'm sure you have fingertips that can use. And this is why I'm going to teach you how to create a transcription. Transcription is really turning audio or video into writing, and that's pretty simple. All you need is your ears and your fingers and you're good to go, right? So I'm gonna teach you how to create that gig, how to set up your first transcription gig and everything. So stay tuned for that video and we will get you up and running. Stay tuned, keep it up.
Okay guys, you don't know, it's a girl Melica Skylife in the building. Now we're gonna just jump into the video and I'm gonna tell you what is a gig. Now, a gig on Fiverr is a service that you are providing, right? So you have different services. You have DJ drops, you have transcription, you have video editing. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a transcription gig. So a gig is a service that you're providing on the platform. So I have a gig already set up for transcription. I'm just going to run through it so that you can have a basic understanding of what it is that you need to do, right? So I'm just going to click edit. All right, so once you're on this page, what you would see on your page is create a gig. You're going to click create a gig and it's going to bring you to this page, right? And on this page you're going to write the title. Now for SEO purposes, SEO means search engine optimization, right? So for SEO purposes, you want to use as many words as possible of the gig that you're creating in your setup. So I'm using transcription. So I will, that is automatically there on Fiverr, so you don't have to put in I will, it's gonna be automatically there. Transcribe 10 minutes of audio or video, right? You're gonna think that's the title of your gig. Then you're gonna fill the category in. The category is writing and translation, and what I'm doing, the specific, is transcription, right? You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click English because that is what you're gonna be transcribing in. And then now you're gonna add your search tags. Now tags are very important on YouTube and any platform that you are on. Now the tags that I'm gonna create is for search engine optimization purposes. That's just the same, and what that does is it helps you to rank at the top. So if somebody wants this service, once they type in transcription, more than likely you will be at the top. So the words that you're gonna use like is transcription, transcribe, audio to text, MP3. Those are some of the stuff that you will use. Now when you're finished with that, you're gonna click save. Once you click save, you're gonna move on to the next step, which is pricing. Now with the pricing section, it's a little bit tricky if you don't understand. You have packages that you can use. You see 3 packages, but you don't have to use the packages if you're not that savvy. But I recommend the packages because on Fiverr for each gig it's $5. $5 is the basics, but you can make more than $5 per order, right? So I have 3 basic packages on my gig. It's the basic, the standard, and the platinum, right? You have to just fill out the description. So this is the silver, this is the gold, and this is the diamond. And what I do, I upsell here. Upselling is offering more services to have the basic money go up, right? So here I'm offering the transcription gig 10 minutes in 24 hours. I do a 1-day delivery. I do 1 speaker. This is really defining what you're doing on the channel, and it's 10 minutes, right? And I'll do that for $5. That's a standard, right? But say you want more than 10 minutes, you want 30 minutes. I will transcribe the 30 minutes in 5 days, and you have the same. You can say how many speakers you have. I give that access to my customers to say how many speakers they have and how many minutes. 15 is here, but it's 30 supposed to be here. 30, and I'll do that for $15. So you see how you can make more money on Fiverr than $5 per gig. In the platinum one, I am offering 45 minutes in 5 days, and this one is for $20. So if you want 45 minutes in 5 days, it's for $20. But say you want to receive the gig not in 5 days, you want to receive it in 1 day. For the standard package, in 1 day it would be $15. So it would be $15 plus the $5 that I have up here, right? And that's just to show you how you can make more than $5 on the platform. On the premium package, say you want your gig in 2 days, you want to ensure that you have enough time to do what you're doing, so you're not rushing. So the time period that you set, you must be able to complete the job in that time period, and I'll do that for an extra $20. And remember, my premium package is $20 is the price already, but if they want it at a faster rate, they add 2 days delivery, and that's $20 added to the $20 that is already there, so that's $5. Right? Say they want to add speakers, I give you the option to do that. So based on how many speakers you want to add, you can add that for $5 and an extra day to give me time to really finish the work properly. This is just a gig extra that I have on my gig, where I transcribe 60 minutes of audio for $60, and I'll do that in 3 additional days, right? So that is just upselling, showing you how you can make more than $5 per gig, right? Now, once you're finished with that section, you're gonna click save, and you're gonna move on to the gig description. Now, the gig description is very, very important, because this is where you sell yourself, and this is where you use your keyword, which is transcription, a lot of times, so that you will be ranked high in the search engine. And you also say clearly what it is that you're doing and what it is that you're offering. Everything about you and your gig will be here in this area, right? Let's take a brief look. So I say I transcribe meetings, interview, conferences, YouTube videos, podcasts. I convert from PDF to Word, church ceremonies. It just says everything that you're doing. Then you're gonna move on, click save, and this is where you tell the customer what is required of them. So on mine, I just say, thank you for ordering my gig. Please provide the instructions to your project. This is, they have to tell me what they want to do. They will provide me with the file. They'll send it here, attach it. Now, another thing that you add is your picture. This is my transcription picture. And what you want to do when you're saving your picture to your gig, on your computer, you want to save it as transcription gig or something with the word transcription, just so you rank. Again, it's all about ranking. I have a video on my platform which sells my product and see what I'm doing, and that's basically how you really create a gig. It's basically how you create a gig and say what you're doing. So this is just my little 30 minutes video saying what I do on the channel. So guys, that's basically it, how you create a gig. A gig, again, is a service that you provide on the channel, on the platform of what you're doing. It basically tells you the price, the description, and the requirements and everything. So guys, that is how you create a gig. Create your gig and make money on Fiverr.com from home.
Keep it locked. I'm so proud that I'm actually helping you guys in this manner, and I'm really hoping that you guys take it seriously and not just take this one video for it. Research more videos and things that you can do online to make money in terms of Fiverr.com. There are videos out there. There's a lot of knowledge out there that you can actually learn from. So take the opportunity to type in something productive in YouTube and try to learn something to build yourself. Don't wait on a video to learn something new, right? And try to learn on your own. And running to make money online. Peace.